Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your driving school business. If you run a driving school business, then manually scheduling all the lesson bookings and responding to queries can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all the queries and automate the whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for driving school business students with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I'm going to send a general message like hi. And immediately our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Fast Track Driving School. Master the road with expert instructors. What would you like to do today?" And it has provided us 3 options, from which I'm going to select the first option that says book a lesson. Now it is asking for my name. So here I'm going to send a demo response like demo user. Next it is going to ask for preferred date. So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. And then it responds me with, "We have received your details as demo user and this given date. We will confirm your slot shortly." Next, I'm going to select the option that says practice material, and our chatbot responds us with all the practice materials in PDF form and mock test questions. Lastly, I'm going to select the last option that says lesson reminders, and our chatbot responds us with reminder setup. You will now receive lesson reminders 24 hours before your scheduled session. Kindly schedule a lesson if you haven't already. And from here you can schedule your lesson like we did earlier. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for driving school business. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Driving School Business Students. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. It is a specific pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have a third option that says choose template. And we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I am going to add a welcome message like this. And our text will appear like this to the user, and here I have added little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button, I am going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each one. So let's curate a response for book a lesson first, and for that we have to access the action type notes and then click on ask question to get a question box, and here we are going to take details for the driving lesson. So here I have asked for name. So in the contact custom field I am going to select name, and as format I am going to select text. You can provide multiple number of attempts and a validation message if you want. I am going to leave it empty. Then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Then I'm going to add another question, and here I'm going to ask for preferred date like this. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select date, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding question box. Lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a confirmation message like this, which will appear like this to the user. Here we have added $name and $date because these two are our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual details sent by the user. Next, we are going to move on to the second quick reply option that says practice materials, and for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add practice materials like this, which will appear like this to the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for send reminders, and for this I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add a reminder setup like this, which will appear like this to the user, and here I've said you will now receive a lesson reminder 24 hours before your scheduled session. Kindly schedule a session if you haven't already. And here with the help of add button, I'm going to provide an option to schedule a lesson and link it to the question box where we have asked for the details for the lesson scheduling. And this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for driving school business students with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.